Hello everyone, welcome back to the shed. I am Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back.
We are going to have two intros to this video because we're doing a little add-on because we wanted to make an announcement. I'll let Candace do it since she's better at that.
Okay, so we mentioned a garage sale probably about over a month ago.
Right.
It's finally going to happen this weekend. It's going to be Saturday and Sunday, times to be determined. It's going to be in the morning, of course. What I'm going to do, it's in Prairieville on Highway 42, and I'm going to run an ad in Craigslist and Facebook on Friday night.
So if you're local and you want to find it, look on Friday night. Look on Craigslist, Baton Rouge Craigslist. Garage sales.
Yeah.
For sale. It's for sale.
Garage sales.
It's just garage sales. Okay.
Yep.
And you'll see it there.
Yeah, and then I'll have a Facebook.
And we'll have a bunch of pictures. Candace was even talking about we're gonna go Friday night and kind of do some last minute setup. We have all the stuff in position, but we're gonna go Friday night and start pricing stuff and whatnot and arranging it and all that kind of stuff. And then we're going to take some photos and probably some video to put with our ads for the garage sales.
Yep, so those ads will go up Friday night after, we get over there and get everything set up.
Probably like around 7 o'clock or something like that.
I'm not sure.
Who knows? I don't know what time.
Just keep looking for it Friday night.
We are doing this sale with a couple of other people, with a couple of friends of ours. There's going to be a lot of stuff. A lot and it's a lot of bulk. Like for instance, I'm gonna have like these starting lineups you've been seeing us sell here. I'm gonna have hundreds of starting lineups at this sale. Gonna have a lot of cards at the sale that I didn't want to list individually that still have value. Probably a lot of like $1, $2 type cards are gonna be there. I will sell them individually if I have to, but I'm probably going to be looking to move a lot of this stuff in bulk if I can. Deals are going to be good too. Like we're there. Our main goal is to move stuff.
So we have pulled stuff like out of our death pile that we don't want to list on eBay.
For instance, even have like I can't remember the brand. I want to say is it Techniques? We have a turntable we're putting in the thing.
Oh yeah.
And I think my friend has a turntable he's selling in it.
Yeah, it's just a ton of variety of stuff.
And there's some larger stuff too that is good stuff, but it's stuff that like, oh, I'm gonna list that, and I never do because I don't want to pack it. And so ultimately like it ends up in this garage sale to sell local, so we don't have to pack it.
If I have time, I'm gonna put some clothes in there too of mine, like from when I worked at the bank, stuff I never wear.
Yeah, we're going to we're gonna do this one this weekend, and I think we're probably gonna do another one. The good thing is it's gonna be indoors, undercover, so weather won't really affect us much. We're gonna have plenty of parking too, plenty of good parking. Not just like on the mud or grass or whatever.
Side of the road, no.
No, we're gonna have we have plenty parking and everything. So like we have a really good setup at this spot. Mm-hmm. So yeah, looking forward to seeing. I will be filming at this garage sale. Gonna be making a video there. I don't know why I turned the camera on you. I will be.
Show them how it works.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So if you do come. And we cut a deal or whatever, and you're like, I really don't want to be on camera. Just say, hey, I'd rather this not be on video, and then I will definitely not put it on video.
Yeah, it's all cool.
It's all like anybody that tells me that they don't want to be on video, it will definitely not be there. So
yep. That's Highway 42 in Prairieville. Look for the ad on Friday night.
Yeah, and we're gonna have a bunch of signs and everything too. So we're looking forward to it. I'm hoping we sell a bunch, and I'm hoping we get a good video too. Now we're gonna roll the normal intro. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I am Lonnie.
Hey, good morning. I'm Candace. Welcome back. We got some things to do today.
Like what?
I have to build a castle.
Oh yeah, you're gonna build a castle.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a few listings done, and then I'm gonna, I guess, tackle that. I'm gonna wait till he's done pulling orders so I can kind of spread out on the floor.
You mean the castle parts, right?
That would be something.
Oh, it's kind of early for this. All right. Yeah, we had a pretty good sales day yesterday. Couple of couple of big sales that, or maybe just one, that really made it good. We're gonna pull those in a minute. I already pulled $30-something worth of cards. We have 4 cards going out. Let's take a look. I'll go
Get
ahead.
a shack.
Yeah, that's a cool card there. Look,
Yeah.
you see that price tag on it?
Yeah.
So this is a Aaron Judge card that sold for $5. We have a Schwarber card with material on it that sold for $4. And then this card sold for $150. No, it didn't. It's sold. I sold it for $13.
If you mail it on that, they'll feel like they got a really good deal and leave us a good feedback.
I will mail it in this. Why not? And then this other card sold for $10. Who is this? Cyberforce Matrix. This is an insert card of some sort too. So like $30-something worth of cards. And then Candace, you're working on cookbooks or something right now?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a cookbook listing done. We need to get that jacket up since weather's turning cool.
Yep.
Or some places it's already cold. Go ahead and get that listed today.
Yep. Oh, I got all kind of stuff we can work on today.
Oh yeah, I've got shoes.
I've still got a dot matrix printer that I can. When I was talking about that dot matrix printer, I told you I had a Seikosha printer when I was a kid. I looked it up. It was a Seikosha SP1000, and it was a 9-pin, not a 24-pin. So I did not have near letter quality in that printer.
Yours was like supremely dot matrix.
It was dotty for sure. I mean, it didn't look good. But anyway, that's gonna be my thing to make sure I get listed today, is that dot matrix printer. Usually I try and target at least one thing where, okay, I ain't leaving here till that's done. That's my thing for today.
Cool.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack these cards up, and then we'll go look at some other stuff that sold. Okay, got my few little card orders packed over here, and let's pull some more stuff. 7 Bravo. I threatened to keep this the other day, and as I usually do whenever I do that, I think about it later. I'm like, nah, I'll sell it. So yeah, I listed this thing. Oh wow, barometric pressure appears to be up a bit. So probably not much of a chance of rain.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, you already knew that?
No, I thought, well, I was thinking the opposite. I thought when it was up, that meant that there was a lot of moisture in the air.
When it's up, when it's rising,
humidity, huh?
when it's rising, it's clearing.
Good.
When it's falling, you could have bad weather move in.
Let's see if it's right. I'm gonna check the
We
list.
paid 2 or 3 for this, and got $24.99 plus shipping on top. But now I'm not sure. I could have accidentally moved that little needle too, because that would have been a pretty big drop. I'll go ahead and put it back on there now and see. On 4 Bravo, we sold a like a display part. Is it this thing? Oh, I guess it is. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but it is. Yeah, this is it. This sold for $9.99 plus ship. I wonder if that comes off of there. I may try and get that off of there because it'd ship a lot better flat. And yeah, that slid right out. No problem. They can just slide it right back into these 2 things here. Be a lot easier to ship like that. This is a good one. 10 Echo. This guy right here. Y'all see these things? I've seen them twice, so anything I can see twice, good chance I could see it again. But yeah, this is the second time I bought and sold one of these porthole picture frames. Paid, I think, $1 for it, Candace?
Yeah.
I think it was $1 for this. And we got $39.99 plus shipping on top, like the next day. Okay, back here on 4 Echo M1, Candace listed some, she was able to restock our not American. Well, they might be American, I don't know. But these are not American girls, these are Monster High dolls. This one is one she just got in that lot.
Is that Monster High?
I think. Or no, I'm sorry.
I tricked you.
All that talk. And
He was so proud he got it right.
it's Ever After High. Great. That's what I needed, another franchise. $19.99 plus shipping on top for this one. On 5 Charlie, I guess this tailgate cable is in this box that says tailgate cables. Where do y'all keep y'all's tailgate cables in your inventory? I think it's funny we have a box just for tailgate cables. I'm looking for TG, I think 15. Yep, TG 15. Oh, it's right here. Good. This is for a Toyota Tacoma. This sold for $9.99 plus shipping on top. 10 Charlie sold this keyboard. I was actually a little surprised how much they are worth. It really depends on which model you have though, and condition and stuff too. But we bought this at Brian and Tammy's garage sale the other day. They watched the channel and paid $1 for it and sold it within a couple of days for 40 plus ship. So pretty happy with that. Thank you very much, Brian and Tammy, for selling that to us. 6 Bravo, Candace listed this Vampirella binder the other day. And I think she included, okay, yeah, there's some cards in here, I think, some like promo cards or whatnot. But this binder sold for what, like 30 bucks? No, $49.99 plus shipping on top for the binder. Wow, that's pretty good. Let me get this stuff packed. We got one more big thing going out. One more thing, we actually sold this guy yesterday, which I was extremely happy to sell. The Nintendo action set box with Gray Zapper and Sears tag still on it. Speaking of Sears, Candace.
Sears tag still on it.
Yes.
That's so funny, huh?
I know.
Look, I'm listing this Craftsman jacket.
It's really nice.
People have been selling it pre-owned for 50. So since ours still has the tag, we're gonna list it for 70. It's a good size. It's a large.
It's warm.
Fleece lined. It's the new shacket style that everybody's crazy about.
It's the new what?
Shacket.
What does that mean? I've never heard of that in my life.
Shirt jacket. It's like the new. It's the new.
So are people not wearing shirts underneath these or something? What?
No, you know how like people wear flannel shirts over t-shirts.
Yeah, they used to be more of a thing. Like when I was younger, people would like put on a t-shirt and then they would put like a short sleeve shirt on over it and then not button it.
So yeah, that came back in fashion with the ladies last year.
What about the guys?
I don't know, but anyway,
I kind of like that look.
So they coined the term shacket.
Okay. Yeah, I used to kind of do that, like back in the 90s. I'd have a t-shirt on if I was going somewhere.
That was kind of the 90s grunge look.
Yeah, just a little. If I was going somewhere just a little bit too nice for a t-shirt, but not quite enough.
I like it because with our weather here, when we go to garage sales,
You have layers.
Yeah, when it's cool in the morning, I just throw on a shacket. And then when it heats up, I just take it off.
I never heard of shacket before.
Shacket.
I thought it had something to do with Shaquille O'Neal.
Yeah.
But anyway, we sold this right around. This is kind of how it works, right? Like this originally sold for $109.99 at Sears with the stuff in it, and now how many years later? 30 years later? Probably closer to 40,
yeah.
35 to 40 years later. We sell the box for $10 more, but it's empty. That's weird, huh?
Yeah.
Spending about 15 minutes on this pack. I want to make real sure this box doesn't get damaged. I'm using 2 mediums from Home Depot, 2 medium boxes, and they're getting resized, of course. I did also have to, I cut one side out of each one of them and then slid them together because I needed a little more length here, and I wanted that double wall on the sides. And then I took the sides that I blew out of each box and I actually fashioned this little cage here for the box to sit in. The box is in a garbage bag and then it's wrapped in bubble wrap, then it's inside of this. So I'm almost done. I'm going to have like plenty of cardboard on top. You can see we're gonna have layer, and then these, there's actually gonna be like 4 layers of cardboard just here, because you have here, here, and then these two big flaps here are going to go almost all the way across. So I'm not going to say it's indestructible, but it's damn close. The bottom has only the one layer. Actually, it's two layers for most of it, because I have two boxes slid together. And then I cut these flaps from up here. I'm going to put these down here to really strengthen that a bunch. This is going to be good. I think this is going to be super duper strong. So that's how I'm doing it. I'll show y'all whenever I get done with this box. All right, this box is done, and I know it may not look like much, but Candace, press on the top.
Do you want me to sit on it?
No.
No, it's good.
And then check out the bottom.
It's good.
Isn't it strong?
Yep.
It's crazy strong.
Yep.
So I'm happy with that. That'll make it. Please. Yeah, man, it's so strong. Mm-hmm. It really is.
Yep.
Okay. Yep, that one's done. Everything's out, and we have stuff to do. So we are going to sign off now. A little bit shorter video today. Thanks a bunch for watching, y'all, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.